When I first heard about the Digital Media and IT program, I was very interested in attending this course because video games for me have been a big part of my life, and I've always wanted to learn to help create them. And the Digital Media and IT program that you guys offer at Nate there is perfect for this because it pretty much encompasses everything that I want to learn into one big program. After I finished my diploma at Nate, the three top career paths that I'd really like to go into would be uh, either video game programming, which would be my top choice, or applications development, or web development. One of the first video games I'd ever played was Spiral the Dragon for the PlayStation 1. And one of the things that really stood that I always asked myself when I played these games was, just for example, when I push the X button, how does the character know he has to jump when I push this button? And as a programmer, that's one of my responsibilities would be, to program artificial intelligence, to program the character's movements, to program the inputs with the controller, how the character reacts with other characters in the game, how he reacts with other objects in the game. And to be able to do that, I think is very interesting. Applications development seems like something that would be a lot of fun to learn and a lot of fun to have as a career. Um, to be able to create an application that someone else can use, that someone else can benefit from, seems like it would be a no-brainer to go into for a career. Some of the main responsibilities I'd have as an application developer would be to make sure that the program, the application that I create is easy to work with, easy to use, and easy to install. It would be my job to translate um, a lot of the logic that goes into the application into a programming language that then can be broken down further to create an easy to use application. As a web developer, it would be my job to create the look and the feel of the website that I would be developing. A lot of my responsibilities would be to have a strong understanding of new technologies to create new and better and more innovative websites. Um, as a web developer, um, I think that it would be a lot of fun to do that as well because like video games, I'd be creating something that has um, the look that I would want it to have. A few of the first semester electives that I'd be interested in taking, um, would generally be things that would help towards the career I'd be interested in going into. For programming and web design and application development. For example, one of the ones I'd be interested in taking would be DMIT 152, application programming. One of the career paths I'd chosen was application development, and I feel that elective would, really help towards my career. DMIT 104, programming fundamentals, for example. I think it would be highly beneficial to learn the fundamentals of programming. As the elective clearly states there. Um, Another one that I'd be interested in taking would be game development essentials. I think that as a programmer, you not only do you need to know programming, but I find development and design aspects would greatly help in that as well. All right, this was Tyler Winch, and that was my career investigation. I hope that you do enjoy the video, and I hope that it was informative. And I do hope that you choose me for the course because I am a fast learner. I am very good with the computers, and for the first time, this is something that I'm really into. This is something I actually want to learn. So, thanks for taking the time to consider me, and I do hope that you guys make the right choice.